Hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady. Today we're going to talk about doing mulch. Typically, I like to do my mulch in bulk, but they had a great sale on these bagged red mulches, so I bought them. So as you can see, I definitely need gloves because I'm working with mulch, a red mulch, and the dyes will color your hands. I have to evenly distribute my mulch, which is so easy to do. You can use a shovel. But here's the end result. Look at how beautiful that is. And it creates contrast, it creates beauty. My white bench seems even brighter sitting on it. My other beds look more finished. It adds more color to my yard, and it was not difficult at all. In my backyard, I have red mulch along the borders of my deck, and again, it just creates contrast and beauty to whatever it is we have planted in there. In the front, I have a succulent area which I added red mulch to, and a beautiful piece of driftwood. It now looks finished. My other beds in the front, you can now see my beautiful variegated liriope. Now, this section at the front of our home, I just had pine straw, and as you can see, there's bare spots and the pine straw is not covering well. So I also want to add mulch here, but I'm going to use a lighter mulch, maybe a cedar mulch, and cover up this area and just make it look more uniform. Now I like to buy my mulch in bulk. This is probably about a ton of mulch. I started with a half ton because I had a large area to cover. And this is the end result. Look how beautiful it is. It covered so nice and uniformly, and it was not difficult to do. I worked early in the morning, but look at this. What a setting this is. I can sit here early in the morning before the sun rises and late in the evening when the sun sets. So this has been Gretchen the Green Lady saying get out there, enjoy your gardenings, and mulching can also be a very simple garden tip that you use to just enhance your yard and beautify your property.